What if I told you there are 3 completely free AI tools right now that can generate insane images and even turn them into cinematic videos, and almost nobody is talking about them? In this video, I'm going to show you 3 powerful tools that let you create unlimited content without spending a dime. But here's the thing. The last tool I'm going to show you is on a whole different level. It can take your images and turn them into smooth cinematic videos with almost no effort. So make sure you stick around till the end, because that final tool is definitely the one you don't want to miss. Without much being said, let's dive right in. So first, we're going to be looking at Perchance. And a lot of you already know this platform, but I'm bringing it back again for you guys because honestly, Perchance is still one of the most free and unlimited image generation tools you're going to find right now. Over time, we've seen a lot of tools come and go, and most of them eventually introduce limits or paid plans. But Perchance has consistently remained one of the top options when it comes to generating images freely without restrictions. So what I'm going to do right now is test a prompt for you guys and show you just how good, high quality this image generator really is. Let me go ahead and input my prompt real quick. Alright, so right here I've entered my prompt. As you can see, it's something like a young woman walking, styled in a cinematic trading theme and all of that. Nothing too complicated. Now all we have to do is tweak the style a little bit. I'm going to leave it in cinematic, but you guys can explore other styles depending on what you want. For me, I'll go with Mindscape. For the output, I'm going to generate 4 images, so you guys can see multiple variations at once. So now everything is set, the model, the style, and the number of images. All we have to do is hit generate and see what this tool gives us. Once you wait a few seconds, you can see the platform has already started generating the images. And honestly, I can already tell you guys, the results from this tool can be really impressive. So let's just wait for it to finish. All right, boom. Here are the results. As you can see, the images look really clean and very cinematic. And the best part is that you can generate as many images as you want. You can literally push this tool to its limits and keep creating without worrying about restrictions. Now these are the images we generated, and if you want to save any of them to your device, it's very simple. Just click on the image, and you'll see the download option. You can right-click the image and save it directly to your device, just like that. Now let's go ahead and test another prompt before we move on to the next tool. So I've already input another prompt here. I'm going to leave the style and settings the same, and then hit generate again. Now all we have to do is wait and see what this tool gives us. And one thing to note is that this tool doesn't really take much time at all. As you can see, it's already generating. Here's the first image. Now you guys can clearly see that this tool produces really nice results. If you zoom into the hands, you'll notice there are no weird distortions or glitches. Even though the hand is bent, everything still looks natural. If you look into the background, you can also see other characters present, and they are well rendered too. So if this tool can generate background characters cleanly without distortion, then you already know it's doing a really good job. And if we compare the prompt we used to the result we got, you can see that it followed the prompt very accurately. So I'm just going to go ahead and save this image real quick. Now, without wasting too much time, let's move on to the next tool. So the next tool we have is Hugging Face. A lot of you have heard about this platform, but many people don't really know how to use it properly. So today, I'm going to show you how you can use one of the models here to generate videos as many times as you want. Right here, you can see that you can search for any model you want. For example, if you search for something like Nano Banana, you'll get a list of different models related to it, and you can pick the one that fits your style. If you search for something like Sora 2, you'll also see multiple versions, and you can choose whichever one works best for you. Now, if you look around, you'll see that the platform supports image generation, video generation, text models, and more. Let's quickly check the image generation section. As you can see, there are tons and tons of models available for you to try. Some of them have thousands of likes, which shows that people are actively using them, and getting good results. But let's move over to the video generation side, since that's what we're focusing on in this video. So here's a tool I want you guys to try out. This tool isn't just for generating videos. It can also help you create really clean and high-quality content for whatever platform you're working on. And honestly, all the tools I'm showing you today can easily serve as alternatives to Grok AI, especially now that it's no longer fully free. So if you were using Grok before for your content creation, you can use these tools as replacements and keep your workflow going without any issues. Now, right here, we have the prompt box, where you can either input text or upload an image. I'm going to upload the image we generated earlier from Perchance and turn it into a video. So let's go ahead and do that. As you can see, I've uploaded the image. You can leave the settings as they are or tweak them if you want. Now, I'll click on Generate Video and let's see what this tool gives us. All right, here's the result. As you can see, the motion looks very smooth. There are no weird glitches or distortions. The lighting stays consistent and the subject moves naturally. Now, let's move on to another tool I really want you guys to see. This one is a Chinese-based platform, but you can easily switch it to English so you can understand everything. Here's the interface. You can see it offers different models and video styles that you can experiment with. Now, if you're looking to test the video generation feature, you'll see something like Video 1.5 here. Just click on it and wait for it to load. All right, now we're inside the video generation interface. As you can see, the model is already selected. The resolution is set to 720p, which is fine for now. You can either generate videos using text prompts or by uploading an image. So let's go ahead and upload our image again and test it out. Here's the image I'm using. I've actually used this same image for another channel I'm currently growing. Now I'll upload it and click Generate. The tool is now processing the image and turning it into a video. Let's wait for the result. All right, here's what it gave us. As you can see, the motion is very clean. There's no weird distortion, the background stays intact, and everything looks consistent while adding cinematic movement. And like I said earlier, all these tools are completely free, and they're available for you guys to try out right now. I'm going to leave all the links in the description, so make sure you check them out, test them yourself, and let me know your results in my Discord. And if you prefer using prompts instead of images, you can simply input your prompt here and generate videos directly from text as well. So yeah, make sure you try it out. That's going to be all for today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.